Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And today I have another stationery gift set that you can give children on their birthdays and any other functions that you want to give children something. So this is another amazing gift set that I have from Dom's right here, and this is called a Dom Smart Kit. So it comes packaged in this plastic backpack shape packet right here, packaging right here, which is beautiful because the kid can easily keep everything in it and carry it along with him as well. So it has multiple items in it, right? And overall packaging looks amazing because it comes in the form of a backpack itself, right? With one main pocket on the top and one smaller pocket in front as well. Now let's get inside this backpack and see what all comes in this set, right? So what we have in this, as per the label that we have here, we get one coloring book, one pencil pack, one eraser pack, color pencil pack, one color pencil pack, one plastic crayon pack of 24 shades, oil pastel pack of 12 shades, watercolor pen black pack 12 shades, watercolor cake pack 12 shades, one scale, one pencil sharpener, one eraser. So that is all that comes with this. So let's go ahead and open this backpack and check out the products inside. So guys, the first thing that I have here is a watercolor cake set right here. So you can see that 12 shades, really good packaging and a good brush that comes with it. A really high quality brush also right here, and the overall colors also look good. The watercolor cakes also look good. So overall the product quality is amazing right here. This is one. These are the oil pastels that you get. So you get a set of 12 oil pastels. Here you can see Dom's oil pastel with a scraping tool as well. 12 shades that come in it. So those are two things. Then we have one coloring book, activity and coloring book right here from Dom's, so which has these activities on it, so the kids can do and then color. So here you can see amazing activity and coloring book right here. Here we have sketch pens right here. These are called watercolor pens. Okay, not sketch pens, but watercolor pens from Dom's with 12 shades. Next thing that we have right here is, these are Dom's retractable eraser. Something new. I really haven't seen this product before. So this is a Dom's retractable eraser. We will review this separately in a different video. I've seen pen pencils. First time I'm seeing like a pen eraser. So we will review this separately in a different video, but this is also what comes in the set. Then we have a 3D eraser here in the shape of a wheel. Again, an amazing looking product right here. Looks really good, packaged separately inside. Then we have one scale that comes with it, a 15cm scale. Then here are the bicolor pencils, which means basically they have points on both the sides. So one side is one color, the other side is a different color. Look at this, blue and red. You can see blue, red. Some fancy stuff in this, like really unique stuff in this set from Dom's. And then we have a set of 5 super dark HB2 graphite pencils also right here with this from Dom. In this set we get. You can check this out as well. You get one sharpener here, one Dom sharpener. And the last thing in the pack is the plastic crayons. We have these Dom glue plastic crayons right here, which come in this set. So let's quickly open the set and check it out. How are the plastic crayons? So guys, here are the plastic crayons. They look amazing. So here is what we get with this set. So over there are 24 sheets. This is a 24 sheet one, and it has special crayon sharpener that comes with it. That can help you to keep your crayon sharp. These are the plastic crayons that come with it, so they look amazing. Overall, a wonderful gift set, guys. If you are looking to buy it for your gift it to someone, it's an amazing gift set. I'm really impressed with this gift set from Doms. With so many products, see like there are so many products. A total of 11 products that you get in this, plus this backpack. So an amazing gift set if you are looking to give someone on their birthday, or if you want to gift a kid. It's an amazing choice. So guys, if you are looking to buy this, it's available on Amazon, and I'll have the link in the description below, so you can check it out from there. It's an amazing gift set to give someone. So next time you have to gift a kid, do remember about my video and regarding Dom's smart kit, and that would be a perfect gift to give someone. So guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.